Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the car safe. Disconnect the 12V battery negative terminal and wait 10 minutes so capacitors and airbags go to sleep. Once done, gather tools, Torx bits, trim pry tools, an 8mm socket, insulated gloves, and a magnetic tray to keep fasteners from disappearing. Make sure the key is out and the parking brake is on. Modern Mercedes keep modules live unless the battery is isolated. This prevents fault codes and accidental deployment. While you remove the start, you now get into the center stack. Work the trim with a soft pry tool, releasing clips evenly to avoid breaking plastic. Once the fascia is loose, remove the visible screws and slide the panel out enough to access the start button module. Locate its electrical connector. Press the locking tab and pull straight back while supporting the module so you don't stress the wires. When the connector is free, unbolt the module from its bracket and set it aside in your magnetic tray for inspection or replacement. You finish by reinstalling the start button or blank plate and refastening the fascia in reverse order, making sure clips and screws sit flush. Reconnect the 12V battery, sit in the driver's seat, and cycle the ignition to verify the car recognizes the key and no warning lights remain. If a fault code appears, clear it with an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner, then recheck the connector seating and pins. Often a loose pin causes faults. If issues persist, consult dealer-level diagnostics before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.